Hi, I'm Barb Sayers, CEO of Sister to Sister Enterprises, and I want to tell you about my Founders Club exclusive Black Friday extravaganza. You want to go from frustrated and struggling to monetize your email marketing efforts to creating a powerful email series that engenders trust and loyalty and releases a flood of income and clients on demand? In my 12-week Founders Club beta pilot program, you'll learn how to write an effective, engaging, powerful, and revenue-generating welcome email series. You won't be alone on the journey. I'll be with you every step of the way. Together, we'll craft the perfect email series that will put you top of mind with your ideal client and firmly place you head and shoulders above your competition. Here's a few of the things we'll cover in the course. Learn the essentials of crafting an email. Develop the story arc, the hero's journey, using serialization. Make the sale in the email, using hooks to engage the reader. How to break down objections right in the email. Use urgency to make the sale, using NLP or neuro-linguistic programming. Using checklists to master your email message. Headlines, get your email opened, and so much more. We'll begin in February, but seating is limited so that I can give all the attention necessary to those in attendance, so be sure to register early. For all you action takers, I have some outstanding bonuses for you. Crazy outstanding bonus number 1, lifetime access to the course and all future updates, and free attendance in any and all future course dates. Mind-boggling bonus number 2, Bimonthly masterminds with hot seats for an entire year, 6 in total. Must-have bonus number 3, free report. What if everything you know about email marketing is dead wrong? Not to be missed, bonus number 4, free report, 5 myths of email marketing. An additional value bonus number 5, free report, how to identify your ideal client with laser focus. What would all this be worth to you? If it helps you grow your business and finally be in the black with your bottom line, what would it be worth? If it puts you head and shoulders above your competition, what would it be worth? Priceless, right? Others charge upwards of $15K, and it's a bargain at that price. But I want to make it affordable for entrepreneurs everywhere. So here's my offer. The regular price for the course is $1,997. For this exclusive Black Friday Founders Club, I've slashed the price more than half. For those action takers who see the value of this content, it's only $497. Or you can take advantage of the 2-pay payment plan for $248.50 each for 2 months. But I really want to make this affordable for anyone wishing to take advantage of the offer. So you may also opt to make a $99 deposit to hold your seat for now, which will be applied to your total. And I'm taking registrations through December 4th. That's my offer. I hope you take advantage of it, because after the Founders Club, it goes back to the regular awesome deal price of $1997. So grab the bull by the horns, and I'll see you in the Founders Club.